My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volkswagen Golf GTE. This is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 46,000 miles with an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. Moving on to the touchscreen, on the left we can access our radio, media and phone. To the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay and our vehicle status. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as heated seats on either side. At the top we have our GTE button. This activates the full power of the TSI engine, allowing us to reach 0 to 60 in 7.6. Below the GTE button, if we press here, we can activate and deactivate the electronic engine sound. Lastly, we have our E-mode button. This allows us to switch from electric drive only to hybrid to battery hold and finally to battery charge. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.